a hydrogeologist, one of the first people I talked to, and he was aghast at the aluminum reading I had in my rain and said, you shouldn't have anything, even 1 part per billion in your rain unless you live next to an Alcoa factory. Those are his words exactly. My first test in the rain was 7 parts per billion of aluminum, already very high considering where I live. Subsequent tests over the next 6 years rose as much as almost 50,000% from that already high reading to 3,450 parts per billion in a single rain event. I mean, this is highly toxic rain. Snow, where this aluminum accumulated off the side of Mount Shasta, has been measured as high as 61,000 parts per billion. And nobody's talking, and people know, Russ. I mean, I've talked to NOAA scientists 6 months ago off the record. They absolutely know. I just had another meeting with the environmental waste in Northern California. They have, tests from the Sacramento River that are spiking in aluminum, but they're afraid to say anything. And it's like, everybody's worried about their 8-to-5 job while we're all sinking at breakneck speed into total extinction, literally.
But we do want to insert this extremely important 8-minute YouTube clip from Lorraine Murray. And I want to introduce you to Lorraine Murray. And Lorraine, you are saying that some MK Ultra projects took place here at Stillwell Hall.
That's correct.
What happened?
And other buildings at the Presidio. We're at the Presidio in San Francisco. And these chemtrails also have metal particulates. They have chemicals in them. They have human blood cells have been found in them. There are viruses and bacteria. There are radioactive nuclides in them. And these are being sprayed not just in the United States, but all NATO countries, and even countries beyond, like South America and Central America. And what they're actually carrying out is a global depopulation agenda. So the toxins in the chemtrails are killing off the weak, particularly the elderly or people who have suffered from diseases and do not have a strong immune system, and also the very young. And the greatest target of all today is our children.
Now, we've just listened to Lorraine Murray speak about MK Ultra and many things. This extremely important 8-minute YouTube clip from Lorraine Murray.
You also state that Lorraine Murray is a former federal U.S. government employee from Lawrence Livermore Laboratories.
And I want to introduce you to Lorraine Murray.
And these chemtrails also have metal particulates. They have chemicals in them. They have human blood cells have been found in them. There are viruses and bacteria. There are radioactive nuclides in them. And these are being sprayed not just in the United States, but all NATO countries, and even countries beyond, like South America and Central America. And what they're actually carrying out is a global depopulation agenda. So the toxins in the chemtrails are killing off the weak, particularly the